Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Soon we'll be celebrating Ganesh Chaturthi, and what is most important, we'll be making modak or kodakatai. And for this we need to use rice flour. And we get the best results when we use processed rice flour. So I'm showing you how to make this processed rice flour easily at home. This is used not only for making modak or kodakatai, we can also make sevai or idiyappam and also use it for making the various savory snacks like thattai, murukku, thenguzhal. All these, when they are made with the processed rice flour, the taste is really awesome. For making this, we need raw rice. Now in South India, Tamil Nadu, we get something called as maavu pacharisi. Pacharisi is raw rice. Maavu pacharisi is the one which is used for making this processed rice flour. And otherwise in other places, here in Hyderabad we get something called as dosa rice. We can use that also. If that is also not available for you where you stay, then you can use regular Sona Masuri raw rice also. This processed rice flour is also used when we make adirasam, especially during Diwali, or also known as anarasa by various names all over India. So you make the processed rice flour and immediately add the jaggery syrup to it to get the perfect result. So come, let's make the rice flour at home. Wash the rice 2 or 3 times and soak it well for 2 hours. Now after 2 hours, drain out the water and spread it on a clean cloth to dry. Allow it to dry in the shade only inside the house till it is nearly 95% dry. See, it is about 20-25 minutes now. My hands are clean and dry. With dry hands, if you just touch this, a few grains should stick to our hand. That is the consistency we want. At this stage, we can remove it and grind it into a powder in our blender jar. Grind it into a fine powder and sieve it very well. Keep this aside. We can again grind it finally, all these sediments, and make it again into a fine powder. See, we have ground and sieved it. Silky smooth rice powder we have. This is the remaining sediment. We can use it either when we grind for idlis or upma. Just mix it with your rangoli powder also, it's fine. Always remember, use the fine mesh to sieve the flour. After sieving the flour, once again take it out and spread it out to dry very well. There should be no moisture in it. Spread it out well like this and leave it aside to air dry it for minimum 4 to 5 hours. Let it dry completely so that there is no moisture. After that, when it is totally dry, you can store it in a box or put it in a Ziploc cover and keep it in your fridge. It is a good idea to store this processed rice flour in your fridge because I have not roasted the rice flour. Some of the recipes call for roasted rice flour, some we don't need to roast. That's why I keep it as such, and we can do it according to the recipe. So you can store it either in a box or, as I have done, put it in a Ziploc cover and store it in your fridge. You can use it as and when you require. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.